These vibrant mica powders are about to bring a delicate hummingbird to life. Watch as I mix, pour, and create a stunning wall hanging that'll add a pop of color to any room. The secret is in the details, and I can't wait to show you how it all comes together. Welcome to Happy Place Creations by Connie. I'm so happy you're joining me today. We're creating something truly special. A beautiful hummingbird wall hanging using resin and gorgeous mica powders. This simple yet elegant piece is perfect for nature lovers and adds a touch of whimsy to your home decor. Let's dive in and have some fun bringing this little hummingbird to life. I've picked out this beautiful hummingbird silicone mold and a palette of colors that reminds me of a garden in full bloom. These mica powders might look unassuming in their little jars, but they pack a serious punch of color. I'm going with soft purples and pinks for these gorgeous flowers, a fresh mint green for all the leafy details, and for our star of the show, our little hummingbird, I'm creating a magical blue body with shimmering gold wings. The gold adds that perfect touch of sunshine, catching our hummingbird mid-flight. Oops! I just realized these little areas aren't leaves at all. They're flower buds. No worries though, I've got a quick fix. Here's a handy trick that'll save your project if you ever mix up your sections. Grab some 99% isopropyl alcohol and a small paintbrush. Dip your brush in the alcohol, but here's the crucial part. Tap it on a paper towel first. You want it damp, not dripping wet. Too much alcohol will cause your mica powder to run and create puddles in places you don't want color. Now I'm gently dabbing the green areas I want to remove, and look at that. It lifts the mica powder right off. This gives me a clean slate to add the proper pink and purple colors to match our flowers. This little technique is a total lifesaver when working with mica powders. No need to start over, just a little alcohol, a gentle touch, and you're back on track. I just realized I've never properly introduced you to this little round helper on my workstation. See this black round sponge? This is actually an eyebrow switching sponge meant for makeup, but it's become one of my secret weapons for resin crafting. When I'm working with multiple mica powder colors like today, this $1.25 sponge is a total game changer. Watch how I use it. After applying my pink powder, I simply swipe my brush across the sponge a few times, and voila! All the pink powder comes right off, leaving my brush clean and ready for the purple. This keeps my colors true and prevents any unwanted mixing. No more pink accidentally getting into my purple flowers or gold sneaking into my blue hummingbird. And the best part? I picked this up at Dollar Tree for just $1.25. It's these little affordable hacks that make crafting so much more enjoyable. If you're working with multiple colors of anything, mica powders, chalks, even some paints, Grab one of these the next time you're out. Your colors will thank you. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to all my subscribers and warmly welcome those who are new to the channel. I'm dedicated to creating interesting and entertaining content, from resin art projects to crafting tutorials. Your support fuels this journey, and I couldn't do it without you. If you're enjoying the content but haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. It's free. Your subscription greatly supports my efforts. Liking the videos also helps signal to YouTube that the content is valuable, allowing it to reach a wider audience. Feel free to leave comments. I love hearing your thoughts. Thank you immensely for your support. It truly means the world to me. Attention! Subscribers, clear your schedules and set those alarms because the creativity explosion happens 3 times weekly. Every Thursday, Friday, and Saturday at 6 p.m., I'll be dropping fresh inspiration bombs right into your feed. But wait, there's more. Want to be part of the exclusive inner circle? Join my members-only club and get early access to every single creation before anyone else. Plus, peek behind the curtain with a tour of my studio where I do all my crafting. This sneak peek is for members only, the behind-the-scenes content that I don't share anywhere else. This is the VIP experience you've been waiting for. So hit that join button below and let's create some magical masterpieces together. Now that our hummingbird is looking absolutely gorgeous with all those vibrant mica powders in place, it's time for the magic moment, adding our resin. For today's project, I'm using Let's Resin Epoxy. It's perfect for this kind of detailed piece because it has excellent clarity and a nice working time. I've already mixed my part A and part B according to the instructions, making sure to stir slowly but thoroughly to avoid those pesky air bubbles. For our backing color, I'm adding this beautiful Let's Resin Ocean White Epoxy pigment. This soft white creates the perfect backdrop to make our colorful hummingbird and flowers really pop. Watch how I'm pouring very slowly and carefully. You want to start from the center and let the resin naturally flow outward. Take your time with this step. There's no rushing perfection. If you notice any air bubbles forming, a quick pass with a heat gun or torch will take care of those right away. I'm going to use the tap method here today to release any air bubbles. Now we'll let our beautiful hummingbird cure according to the resin manufacturer's instructions. I can already tell this is going to be a stunning wall hanging that captures all the delicate beauty of this magical little bird. All right, it's the moment of truth. Time to reveal our hummingbird wall hanging. I'm going to take this nice and slow since the resin isn't fully cured yet. This is always such a delicate process, especially with a piece that has so many intricate details. I should mention that the coloring process with the mica powders took me well over an hour. I really took my time to make sure every tiny section got the perfect amount of color. Those little details are what makes these pieces special, and I never like to rush good craftsmanship. Gently easing it out now, careful around those delicate wings and flower petals, and oh my goodness, look at that! Isn't it absolutely stunning? The way those pink and purple flowers shimmer in the light is just magical. And our little hummingbird, that combination of blue body with those gold-dusted wings is exactly what I was hoping for. See how the gold catches the light as I turn it? It almost looks like it's in motion. The green stems and leaves provide such a perfect contrast to the flowers, and everything just pops beautifully against with that ocean white filling background. This is why I love working with mica powders. They give such dimension and life to resin pieces. This is going to look absolutely gorgeous hanging on the wall where the light can catch all those shimmering details. What a beautiful piece to bring a touch of nature's magic indoors. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate you being here. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified when I upload new content. I look forward to seeing you next time, right here on the same crafty channel at the same crafty time. Happy crafting!